So we're finally seeing a bit of sun after 2 full days of non-stop rain and I guess a bit more of on and off rain. Broken water tanks, leaking windows, and a very damp boat with puppies wet hanging everywhere. But yeah, we're on top of things now. We're just down 80 litres, so we'll try and catch what we can in rain and then fill the rest up with creek water. And it is flat. Puppy, what have you done to your back?
I've done something to my back when we were trying to pull out the water tank, so I have tweaked.
So conveniently, she might miss out on gardening.
No, I actually wanted to go.
Yeah, we might be going gardening today. Not really sure. Plans change every day, but we'll see. Okay.
So Ryan, what do we have here?
This is Sago cooked mumu, or like with the rocks.
Yeah, mumu with rocks.
Yep.
Sago mumu with rocks, and this one is cooked yams.
This is a cooked yam that we'll be planning today.
Cooked yam. This one cooked yam.
This one's another
yam.
yam.
That one cooked tapioca, banana, and potato.
Ooh, yummy.
And this one greens, tulip with fish.
Oh, that's good. Fish in it?
Yeah. They mix with fish.
What's this one? Banana?
Banana.
Oh, it's a whole feast. Ryan, you gotta tell us what the sago tastes like. This is the 3rd way that we're having it.
That tastes nice.
And it's got the bud in it?
Yeah, bud.
Coconut.
Does it taste crunchy?
Yeah, it's good. Crunch on the outside and like gooey on the inside.
It's much better.
Yeah, that's nice.
Really nice. Sago is many ways of cooking sago.
Yeah.
One is like break it.
Break it.
Yeah.
I like this way a lot. I think it's my favorite way.
Yeah.
It's nice and crunchy.
It's crunchy.
That one's really good.
It's well done.
I like this one a lot. Almost kind of like bread.
It's almost similar to bread.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Let me try the yam. So we're going to be planting these with the ladies in the garden. Purple yams. Yeah, nice. Thank you. I go like you.
Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board and come sail away with Skateaway.
So you're using this sandpaper pig, is it? To clean the pot like steel wool. Oh, it works really good.
We have 2 types.
Yeah.
The other type is white one and the other type is green one there.
Oh, and this is the other type.
Green one.
Because it's rough.
Rough, yeah.
Like
Smooth one is the first one, correct.
Okay. Oh, good. Up to the garden.
You want to go first?
No, I walk behind. I'll help you, direct you in walking.
Okay.
It's so slippery, my sister.
I'm sorry, I'm a bit slow.
All right. Not so far. Yes, Ponson, how are you don't wear your slippers?
Because I'm a bush woman.
Oh, good.
Getting tougher feet.
Just slower bush woman.
Easy by easy. One must balance yourself.
cooking.
Udah sepatok di ba kau buang na muduro.
Anyway, you have a receipt there.
Oh, what, sir?
Receipt.
It's good with this tree path. You get mud crabs here?
Yeah.
Do you get crocodiles here?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Look at my feet. My new shoes.
Easy, easy. So old ancestors, they live on this one.
They live on this one here.
Okay.
It's called a cabbage.
Cabbage. Okay.
It's a bush cabbage.
Is that what we had earlier in the greens?
That's right.
Ah, okay.
This is the real one.
So this is native, grows here naturally.
This is a naturally made,
Yeah.
and it's in here.
You don't plant this one.
We don't plant them. You see, the other one is this big one here. That's the fruit.
And so then you cook that one,
Uh-huh.
and then you can eat it. Do you have to take off the outer?
The first coat is you can eat it, but the third coat is inside.
Okay. So cook it, take off first coat, and then eat the second
Just
coat.
similar to coconut.
Okay.
So you will see it when the time for bearing flowers. We also take the flowers and eat,
Ah, you eat the flowers.
and then the fruit also.
And how do you say it in your language? Uda.
Uza, yes.
Uda. Can you eat the fruit straight, or do you have to cook it?
After cooking.
You cook the fruit. Digging stick, sharpened metal, welded off a forklift, I think. And the garden, nice and hilly.
So today we're gonna learn how that they plant their yams. So it's usually the ladies do the planting and then the men dig. So yesterday the men did the digging in the rain because the soil is easy now for them to dig. And today the ladies are coming to plant. Normally I do them the same time, but it was too rainy yesterday, so just the men digging. And now we're gonna...
New garden.
This is the garden house?
Yeah.
And these,
Incomplete. They will complete and make bigger one and nice one later.
are these all the yams?
Those are the yams, yeah. Two different type of yam seeds.
Okay.
This is pure white, and this one is two white and red.
Ah.
These yams.
So we're going to be planting these ones?
Yeah, we'll be planting this one, but this one is normally white.
Okay. That's a digging stick.
Inga white try okay? And, okay, let's go. Who plants wood? Okay, we'll start over there.
Okay.
So all the holes are already dug.
Yeah.
That's good. So I should have been here yesterday digging with the men.
Yeah. But because of the rain, right?
Yeah.
They don't want you to come. So you dig these up?
You need to smooth it, put the roots out.
Okay.
Ladies are really concerned. Why and you?
Oh, Papi, you are very smart.
Yeah, make her work hard.
I want to learn how you do it. To take the roots out.
Yeah, take the roots out.
Yep.
I'm careful with that one there.
Which one?
The yam.
And you must get it from corner to corner where they dug it. This one is enough, only the front.
Okay.
And then you, something like that for the front one.
You can just plant.
Okay.
Arlene will show you,
This
and
is how
then
we plant.
Yep. So you put
Not so down,
Not so deep.
you see.
Yep.
Okay, make it.
And then bury it
Okay, and then bury it.
and pack it down.
Not like that, something like this.
Okay.
Something like this.
This is the
oh, Papi,
this
already know how to plant.
There you are.
puppy yam.
It's yam.
Okay.
I come and see it, and I said, Papi's yam.
Yeah. Today we're eating puppy's yam.
Another one again. Do you see how we plant the yam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 300 more.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Which way do you want me to go? This way or down?
This down.
Down.
This way down.
Watch out.
Plant it.
You have many to go. Oh, these ones are already growing. Taro.
Yeah, this is taro.
Taro.
They already planted taro.
Okay.
Down there is the what? Potato.
Bananas.
Yes, and banana.
Okay.
Plant.
Front.
Quero.
There you are.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, Papi.
That's it. That's your memory. They are saying that when you are coming, Monica, the owner of this garden, you must get a stick, come stand with puppies.
Planting.
So when harvesting time, you must recall back.
Yeah.
Puppy's potato.
Yeah.
Maybe they're all a bit
Come and
funny.
break the roots before you plant it. Pamela people, they are good people, loving the white people. It's a culture, ways from our ancestors that we must help one another in need. Our family helping the close neighbor family again. And that's the life of the community. Our living here in the community is peacefully, lovely, every day. That's our attitude.
Get it, Ryan. Oh, Ryan. So all the ladies are really happy that we're planting because they say most of the time yachts just come and they just sit around and just see the place, but we're actually helping and doing the planting.
We just mainly work in the garden and fishing away. If not working in the bush for gold, our mainly job every day is working in the garden and fishing. That's our main work every day, people of Pamela. Because if we can't work in the garden, we can't earn our living. We can't eat. So our living is from the garden. We plant and harvest from the garden for every day, even for our children to go for school. Because without eating, our children will not go for education.
What was your name?
Caroline Ronnie.
Caroline Ronnie. Thank you so much. You've been so amazing.
We just made history.
Made history for the second time here on Sudest Island.
Yeah.
What have we made history for?
They said we were the first dim dims or luma luma or white people to come and help with their gardening rather than just watch.
Yeah, they were so happy watching us digging and physical work, and they prayed for us and thanking us. And
Yeah, we sat down and they did, a lot of the prayers was about us and our journey and wishing us well and peace passage. And
it's been a good day.
really good day. Feel like we've connected closer with the community.
So after working, the person whose garden it is, they provide a feast for all the helpers, all the women gardening today. They come back and this lovely lady here has cooked some food, some yams, potatoes, pumpkin, and yeah, so we're the first ones back, so we're eating first, but all these plates and cups out here for when the rest of the women come, and then they're gonna have their meal. Out to sea, we sailed to Papua New Guinea, here on the island of Guinea Bay. They got something to say. Oh, the people of Pamela, they're so welcoming to me. And they're teaching me planting lots of yams. And we do lots of digging. And we do lots of fishing. And we eat lots of coconuts, what they call here bud. And the people of Pamela, they're so welcoming. We will really have hard time to leave this wonderful place. They even take us to church and we watch and sing. We sing about the drought and guess what? Then it rains. For the people of Pamela, all the people of Pamela, we love the people of Pamela, all the people of Pamela. Ryan is Ryan, visitation and come everybody sing, oh Ryan. Oh Ryan. Oh Ryan. Oh Ryan. Oh Ryan. Oh Ryan.
Oh, that's for the Pamela. Nice. That's your Pamela.
Thank you.
Thank you.